we have been looking or starting to look at a light which in a way, harmonizes things, interrelates things. And now this system is not only there that we can live as human, as healthy and strong, and that the metabolism works well. It's also a sort of holy space which must be created by this nerve system for us. Because from where we come from, karmic reasons, other reasons, the organs are shaped very differently. Some livers energetically are like this, some kidneys are like this, and they themselves, they are pretty content, but that's a lot of, it needs to harmonize them. And it's also quite a lot of going on. It's not silent down there. It's lots of energy and also building and destruction and constantly. And the nerve system in a way down there creates a sort of interplay which is not just harmonious, but which is also created in a way that what makes the essence of us as human beings, can live in this body. It creates the vessel for the essence of what is human. That's this nerve system. And it's juvenile, it's growing, it's full of joy. But and this joyness is there because, the human being is a future force. And to honor this aspect also, we touch the last set of exercises, and I hope you agree that we continue another 5 to 8 minutes perhaps, and for those of you who already have to have a rest, just sit down and watch. That's also pretty fine. Okay. So this joy and this going out and this future orientatedness we can express in our being in a musical way, by just making 2 steps. And please use your left foot now to make a little step forward. And then place your right foot a little bit, not far, next to it. And then keep this joy of moving forward and this stability to feel your feet, to feel your hips, and even to feel your shoulder girdle, the clavicles. And then feel this joy of going forward in your clavicles. And maybe you notice the heels become light, the clavicles, they want to fly. And then let this joy of fly stream in the lower arms, that they start to move like wings up and down. And then return a little bit to the upper arms. And they say, yes, I support you, come along. And then the lower arms, so nice, I'm supported, I can fly. Feel the hands, feel your fingers, your fingertips, how they go out. Far beyond your fingers, and then have the feeling, I can arrive. And then have this feeling, I have arrived. Come closer to you. Come over you. And then receive it and slowly let it sink down. This mood of peace, this mood of calmness. sullenness. And just to stand in this space which you've just received. And maybe you noticed you're standing on the heels, well grounded and connected to the earth. And sense how the column in your back is supported suddenly by this. And then close the feet. Let's repeat it one more time. Arrive at your center, but don't touch it necessarily. Feel your heart. Feel the joy in your heart. Make a step, left leg forward, right leg a little bit to the side. Just feel the feet, your hips, your clavicles like wings. They want to go forward, they want to fly. They send it in the lower arms, the upper arms supported, the lower arms spread out, the hands start to build wings. The fingers go out, searching for where could we go to. The fingertips say, yes, there it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. And then allow yourself the feeling, I have arrived. Let this feeling come closer, come over you. And slowly receive it. Let it stream down. And allow yourself to stand in this space. To feel your heels, your breath, the joy in your heart, and close your feet. And this, over time, we will, or musical aspects, which in a way allow our being to, orientate itself in levels which give it meaning. For this reason, we want to make a few steps, because we also want to invite this quality to sink down. And all what we do today is just go a little bit down and have the feeling you expand a little bit down there. And then you pull the energy a little bit together, you become small. And we do this with making a few steps. We make a long step, 2 short steps on the place. A long step and 2 very short steps on the space. And then 2 long steps. And if you don't have much space, it's no problem at all. You just go 2 steps forward and another few backwards and then forward again. So those of you who have space, they just walk one way, and those of you who don't have much space, do it like me, a few steps forwards, a few steps backwards. We just do it one time, just physically, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. That's all. Those who are now in front, they can walk backwards, or you come backwards and do the same way again, whatever feels good. And all we try is that when you do the long step, we expand down there. When we do the short step, we contract down there. Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. Last time. Are you ready? Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. Return to your center and breathe. We finish to create this, specific mood of solemnness, of holiness, maybe even, which has to do with this realm, with the exercise, with the 2 steps and the arms going out. Left foot forward, but joy in the heart first. The joy in the heart is always there. Often it's hidden, but it's there. Left, right, feet, hips, clavicle rings. Wow. Lower arm, upper arm, lower arm, hands, fingers, fingertips, there. Yes, I can arrive. Just feel your uprightness. Close your leg. Feel your heart. The space you stand in, and then this sphere. Your lower body. And slowly, without losing what you've been doing, just sit down. Relax. Allow yourself also now to relax. You can listen to the resonance for 1, 2, 3 minutes, but then also just let go. What's the general attitude of your body towards what we did now? When you ask him, did he like it? If you're curious, you can ask him why. But you can also just look. What do my lower legs feel like, my feet? What's the quality of light in my body and the quality of light around my body? How much does my body like it to sit upright? How much is it longing for lying down now?